Hey everyone, welcome back to Electro Hobbyist. In today's video, we're going to explore how to self-host n8n using Docker and Ngrok. n8n is an open source workflow automation tool that lets you connect various services and automate tasks seamlessly. By self-hosting it, you gain full control over your data and workflows. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through installing Docker, setting up n8n, and making it accessible from anywhere with Ngrok. First thing first, head over to the Docker website and download the Docker desktop application for your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Docker is a platform that allows us to create and manage containers, which are lightweight portable environments for running our applications. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, you'll need to sign up or log in with your Docker account. This step is pretty straightforward and will give you access to Docker Hub, where you can find various images. Now that we have Docker ready, the next step is to set up n8n. We'll do this using a simple Docker command. Open your terminal or command prompt and run this command. This command does a few things. It pulls the n8n Docker image, runs it interactively, and maps port 5678 from your local machine to the container. It also creates a persistent volume called n8n data to store your workflow data. Once you run this command, n8n will start up, and you can access the web interface by navigating to http://localhost:5678 in your browser. Next, head over to the Ngrok website and sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you can download the Ngrok client for your operating system. Next, you'll need to authenticate Ngrok with your account. On the Ngrok dashboard, you'll find your unique authentication token. In your Ngrok client, run this token. Once that's done, you're ready to create the tunnel. Simply run the command ngrok http://5678. This will generate a public URL that points to your local n8n instance. You'll see the URL in the terminal, and you can use that URL to trigger your n8n workflows from anywhere. Go to Docker Hub and pull the latest image for your application. Then select the container name and configure the port to 5678. Choose a host path and make sure to use the same path each time you create a new container. By keeping the host path the same, you'll be able to seamlessly access all your past n8n workflows. Container path should be /home/node/.n8n. To customize your n8n setup and ensure it works seamlessly with Ngrok, we need to configure a few environment variables. Community packages. If you want to use extra community nodes like OpenAI, set the environment variable n8n community package allow usage to true. This will enable these additional tools. Editor-based URL. When using Ngrok, set the n8n editor-based URL to the public Ngrok URL. You should go to Ngrok client and copy the domain and paste it here. Webhook URL. To ensure that external services can reach your workflows, set the webhook URL to your Ngrok public URL. This makes sure that any incoming webhooks from services like Telegram or ESP32 can properly trigger your workflows. And then you should go to Ngrok client and copy the domain and paste it here. Binary data mode. To improve performance, set n8n default binary data mode to file system. This way, files like images and PDFs are stored on disk rather than in memory, making your workflows faster and more stable.